Abhinav and you are watching Paperkraft. Since we all know Halloween is coming soon, so I thought of making Halloween stuff. To make Halloween stuff, we need A4 size sheets, foil paper, scissors and tape. But before starting with the video, if you haven't subscribed my channel Paperkraft yet, so do subscribe it first and hit the bell notification button to get my latest updates. And if you like my video, so give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. So let's begin.
Audio Jungle.
We need 9 more such nails like this. I have already made them to save some time. Let's move to the second prop. Now my sister Siona is helping me to make the next prop, which is devil's horn. If you like my video, so give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. And if you want me to teach something to you, you can DM me on Instagram or Facebook. Thank you.